Oh my goodness, I'm late again! The teacher's gonna kill me!
And if he doesn't do it,
we'll do it for him.
Excuse me!
not so fast running in the corner,
Guys, please! You don't have to hurt me!
But we want to, so shut your mouth.
No, this is not fair! What's that? No!
Time's up. Die!
Kids?
What? Oh no, we're screwed!
Go! You're late!
Yes, teacher, we're sorry.
What about you, Pooh?
Thanks for...
Take your things and go to class!
Yes! I'm sorry, I'll be there just in a second! Don't tell my parents!
Fine.
I'm finally here! What's wrong?
Wake up, Pooh! You're late!
I tried my best, don't blame me!
Pooh!
What?
Come and solve this! It's the least you can do to compensate!
No, I didn't study! Why is this happening to me? Away!
So?
What? I'm everybody's fool!
You can do it!
Is she talking to me?
I really believe in you, Pooh!
Oh my gosh, she is! I'm confident enough to do it now! Who threw that?
He failed!
Shut up! Who's right? Well done,
Awesome.
buddy!
Thank you, teacher!
Amazing
What?
job, Pooh! I'm so proud of
Thanks! I can't believe Paulina likes me and all, and...
Here you are! You!
Guys, please! Calm down!
What can you say about this? Do you like her?
No, just a friend, I'm not lying!
Time to die! You'll learn it the hard way!
No, stop, please! This is beyond painful. Sorry!
Stop looking at her!
Yes, understood! What are you laughing at? I don't deserve this! Why don't you leave me alone at once? They are mean. What? Oh, I think it's time to have my lunch. Yummy! Who's there?
I'm a fool! How could I lose it? Pooh!
What happened?
I lost my lunch somewhere and... Ouch! I'm too hungry!
It's too bad.
Don't mind me, I'll just
Let's
take...
share mine.
Pooh! I would love to! Oh, how romantic! You're the best! Thank you so much! I don't know what I would have done without you, handsome! Can I
What?
kiss
Paulina,
you?
I think we can. They're back!
Well.
He lied. We must show him.
I will!
No, wait, there's some misunderstanding.
You were about to kiss her!
No, my face!
I don't want to
Stay
see...
here
What?
and watch.
No!
Cannot take this anymore! Someone help me,
It's
please!
too late, coward!
Leave me alone! I didn't expect anything like this! Oh my goodness, I'm done!
None of that. No helping allowed.
Enjoy your last breath, you liar!
Why are you doing all this to me?
'Cause you deserve it!
Yeah, do I really?
Oh, watch out!
She's in danger!
It's time for you to rest in pieces! Die!
Paulina, I must fight for her!
See you in hell!
What if I bring hell here?
Impossible! He's stronger than I thought!
I'm sick of...